Hi, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And we are Adventures in Xanadu, and it's a nighttime video. Why is it when you go outside at night, you feel like you should whisper? But then there's people at campgrounds that don't believe that. So I'd like to say it's a good policy. Hey, we just ordered a clam off eBay. And it came in, so we're all excited. That's why we're out at night. We bought it for $100, and it's got some damage. And I can tell you right now, what color is that? Is it green?
It looks brown.
Because it didn't come in the right box, and this is one of them eBay quote-unquote used deals. It showed a couple of rips that I was willing to work on, but the bag was ripped when we got it, and that was more than I thought.
This is big time rips,
yeah. But I don't think that's the right, I don't even think that's the Escape. It's not even the right, you know.
We have this.
All right, that's just a little cover for the top, I guess.
I think it's those.
Yeah.
All right, well.
All right, we're going to pull it out of there and
don't you have to undo these first?
see if we can get it set up. I don't even know which clam we have here. We were supposed to have the 12-foot Escape. That's the big boy that goes over the picnic table, but I know it's green. That looks brown, so.
It does look brown.
Man, we got to get that out. Let's see what's going on. Hey, we're going to come right back to you that fast. All right, so Dawn's got it out. And they say these are real simple to put up. How's it going so far, Dawn?
It's really good. Really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Do you want to hold the camera and I can do it, or?
No, I'd like.
You're all about the girl power, man. Hey, there you go. That's it. You open it till the top here. No.
Is that the top?
I don't think so. The white part's the top. There you go. There you go. All right, folks, we're doing this real time.
Okay.
All right, you flop her down. Just flop this down.
How do we start pulling?
Yeah, you can do that. Just don't get into the dog area there. This is not the right tent. I don't know.
This doesn't look like what it was supposed to look like.
It was supposed to be green. And this is brown. I like the brown. I just don't think, I don't think this is the, I don't think it's the Escape though. It might be.
The things.
Hey, see, now let me tell you though, actually, seriously people, now isn't this more realistic?
It's making me laugh.
I mean, at night, and you're stumbling around the campsite, you can't find anything. So this is a true test of a clam. This is a true test of a clam. Can it do it at night in a campground? Yank it. I'm losing you.
It's making me laugh.
It's getting so big, it's like the blob. Pull that out. Pop it. Pop it. Maybe that's the roof.
No, it's not the roof.
Oh, man. That's crazy.
Whose idea was this again?
Well, I wonder if this one even has the same damage that he pointed out. Because it's not the one that he had pictures of.
I'm confused.
Right, we won't even know where the damage is. This is weird. How hard is it? As she fall, call 911. I don't know. There's no pole. Oh, man. I know. Well, it doesn't matter. Nobody can see anyway. She's pushing the top up. Here, I'll hold this down. Did you get it? Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Hey. She popped it. Wow.
Ta-da!
We need a light. Come over to the, come here. I can't even see you. Are you there? Come to the screen. I can't.
It looked easier on TV.
There she is. This isn't 12 foot though, is it? No. This is a 10-footer. See, we're not going to be able to, we need a flashlight. Hey, hang on. We're going to go grab a light. All right, well, we got some light on the subject a little bit more. And Dawn, I don't know, I'm scared to say it. It's not the right color, it's brown, but it is a real clam. It was $100, like we said, with some damage on eBay. But for the life of us, we're just not seeing the damage. And I was saying I didn't know if it was an escape or not, but boy, I'll tell you, if you hold this up, you can see that says escape. Yeah. So it's the 12-footer.
I absolutely do
Wow.
not see any.
Yeah, he showed us, there were some pictures of rips in the mesh. But I'm wondering now, since it's not the green one, I'm just not seeing any damage on this, other than the bag.
I'm kind of afraid to say it.
I mean, the bag's a ripped, but wow. What do you guys think out there? You think we got a deal? I mean, $100. I think they go around 300 new. Wow, we're just not seeing. I'll come in here. It's so dark. Sorry, folks. But this is just a impromptu video.
So that ghost covers that up that I pulled out at the beginning.
Yeah, there's a thing that goes over that.
Goes.
Yeah, those same
This
things.
is nice
Oh,
size, isn't it?
yeah, it's 12. Should be 12 foot.
Let's see here.
What are you gonna measure it out?
Kinda.
Oh boy.
All right, let's see. I'm 5'7".
Yeah, but it's not straight.
And a half.
Yeah.
So it's good size.
Well, yeah, we're not gonna be laying in it.
You might.
Well, we might.
You might be.
You never know. All right, too dark for a video, but we did it anyway. All right, so I think this is maybe a world record clam setup because I don't think I've seen them race in the dark. So Dawn, I'm gonna give you a #1 for dark clam screen room setup. #1 in the dark, that's us. The blind leading the blind. Anyway, everybody, we hope you subscribe, and if you don't like this video, like some of them. I'm Bear.
I'm Dawn.
And we're Adventures in Insanity. Talk to you later.
Woohoo.
More from the Great White North.